the whole body except for the roof and the rear quarter panels. Okay. Everything else is all carbon fiber.
Wow.
What's up, TRC fans? Don't miss our last event at Palm Beach International Raceway on October 30th and our annual Street Kings event at its new location, Bradenton Motorsports Park, on December 11th.
What is going on? It's Charles with TRC. Today we are in Salt Lake City at Utah Motorsports Campus. Today I got my boy Tyler with me today.
What's going on?
We got John right here with this insane Odom Racing GTR. How much power does this thing make?
2200, no nitrous. So up to 24, 25 with nitrous.
This will be the fastest car that I've been in personally.
It's gonna be insane.
All right, guys, I don't know if you can hear me very well, but it's really windy out today. We got a really strong headwind. We're about to hop in, do some digs, have a good time. Okay, sounds good. Here we go. That's crazy. Oh, wow. That's epic. Epic is the word for that. You literally, like, you feel your stomach compress. You feel your internal organs compress. You feel your eyes go to the back of their sockets. And I'm not just saying that. That's actually what you feel. I felt like I had to squint just to see.
You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. How was that?
That was hell of a fun. So that was map 5. That was map 5. How many?
As you can see, 3/4 of the 8 mile, we were spinning.
Yeah.
So we're not hooking.
So how much power was that?
Map 5 is 1700.
Okay.
So we're gonna go map 4 this time. We should get a better pull.
Awesome.
lap 4, we were spinning the whole way.
Yeah, that is insane.
Yeah. So
wow, dude.
that was pretty epic, though.
Dude, this thing is killer.
Thank you.
This thing is awesome.
What do you think?
Dude, that was absolutely insane. Like, I mean, first gear, dude, John could drive the car. It gives you that roller coaster feeling.
I wish we could experience it on the track, because as you look down the track, you'll see the rubber that's laid down, and that means I'm spinning, so I'm not, even though it felt fast, it feels so much faster when you're hooked up. In the gravel. So motec is amazing, but map 7 at 2,000 horsepower and a gravel road is not fun. What do you think?
We made it. That's all I think. We made it.
I'll let it do its thing.
John, how you doing, man?
Good, man. How are you guys?
Dude, I am doing absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys so much for having us out here. It's honestly like an honor to be here.
Yeah, we're grateful that you guys are here.
Yeah, dude, thank you so much. So we're looking at the car right now. Obviously, it has a lot of carbon fiber, a lot of power. What can you tell me about the build?
So carbon fiber, this car was built by PPC here in Salt Lake City. In my opinion, one of the best builders of GTRs in the country. Billet, 3.8, 68 millimeter turbo, 12 2000 injectors, mechanical fuel pump, Shep stage 5 transmission.
Wow, okay,
tuned by the best guy in the business, Rob Harper. Right now, it's the fastest 68 non-spray car in the country.
Okay.
So normally on the track, map 9, we're somewhere between 2,000 and 2,200 horsepower, depending on what the motec says.
Okay.
But 126 60 foot,
wow.
197.5 miles an hour in the quarter.
That is moving, dude. Would you mind popping the hood for us so we can take a look under the...
Let me bring Brad in here.
Yeah, absolutely. And so, Brad, you built the car, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah,
oh,
so
dude, look at that.
Yeah, so it's a 3.8 liter billet crank engine. We have Bosch 74 millimeter throttle bodies, custom intake manifold built by us. Has 2 sets of 2000 cc injectors. 12 gallon a minute mechanical fuel pump with a 3.5 gallon surge tank.
Wow.
Right now it's on 50% M1, 50% E98.
Okay.
We just did that so you guys weren't crying too hard inside the car for the fumes.
We appreciate that.
But on straight M1, yeah, it makes around 2,200 horsepower. In Maryland at our event that we ran it at near sea level, it made 66 pounds of boost.
What?
Fastest
Wow.
8th mile was 4.7 at 161 miles an hour.
In the 8th?
In the 8th mile.
Jesus, this thing moves.
It's fast. It's an experience, I promise you.
Wow.
Got a Weldon fuel pressure regulator. It's rated for 12 gallons a minute. And then we put custom inlets right here to ram the air into the 4-inch intakes.
Okay, okay.
Has a Boost Logic intercooler. Like he said, Shep Stage 5 transmission has 24 plate clutches.
Oh my gosh.
Billet side cover in the rear, wave track LSD. Has a billet front differential with the wave track LSD that we built. DSS axles. Like he said, it has all carbon fiber. The whole body except for the roof and the rear quarter panels.
Okay.
Everything else is all carbon fiber.
Wow. What kind of weight savings are you looking at with that?
So usually with driver they're around 4,000 to 4,100. This one's around 3,500 with driver, so it's around 3,300. So we've saved, you know, approximately over 600 pounds.
And you guys said you won meet in the middle, right?
Yeah, we won meet in the middle our event, and raced the guy from boosting, and they were, I mean, those guys were fast, and we beat them by less than a second. So
wow.
It was a great race, great team to run against, but. Real fast car, we're super happy with it. We're gonna go to Maryland and see how it goes. We're super excited.
But Brad, I heard a little bit of drama that they don't even want to let you guys in the cash days here anymore.
Yeah, especially in Arizona. You know, after we go there, they no longer want any GTRs to race. So in the rules, they said no GTRs allowed, but they'll allow Evos and other cars. This says GTRs not allowed. So.
Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap up the episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.